Hey guys, it's Crazy Coupons. Welcome back to my channel, and in today's video we're going to be going over the Dollar General clearance event visuals and coupon matchups part 2, and we have a lot to go over. So before we get started, if you haven't already subscribed, please consider doing so. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up button because it's a free way that you can help your girl out. And as always, if you have any questions, comments, deals you want to share, or if you just want to say hello, y'all know I love hearing from you, so please leave me a comment down below before you go, and also take a minute to share this video with somebody that you know so that they can in on these deals as well. Alright guys, let's jump right in. Alright guys, so hopefully by now the majority of y'all have heard that we do have a Dollar General clearance event happening this weekend. So it will begin tomorrow, Friday, March the 4th, and run through Sunday, March the 6th. And I did upload part 1 of our Dollar General clearance event visuals and coupon matchups video yesterday. So if you missed that, I'm going to leave it linked in the pinned comment down below because you definitely want to go and check it out so that you don't miss out on any of these awesome deals. So I did talk about this in yesterday's video, but just in case you missed it, for anyone who is new to Dollar General clearance events, or if you have questions about Dollar General clearance events, I highly recommend that y'all go check out my video that I put together specifically on DG clearance events. So it's literally titled Dollar General clearance events, everything that you need to know. So in that video, I answered the most commonly asked questions. I go over tips and tricks, and literally all of the information that I have on DG clearance events is in that video. Now, if your question wasn't answered in that video, please do not hesitate to leave it in the comment section. It's just going to take me a minute because I'm trying to get these videos done and uploaded, and then I'll start answering the comments, okay? And I also wanted to remind everybody that we just had a Dollar General clearance event back in January. Now, right before that clearance event, I uploaded 3 different videos, 3 separate videos, cram-packed full of visuals, coupon matchups, and a ton of awesome deals. So if you guys need a refresher, or if you've never watched those videos, I highly recommend that you go back and check those out. I'm going to leave them linked in the pinned comment down below because all of those items are going to be included in this clearance event as well. Now, I know that y'all don't want to have to sit through like an hour-long video or several hour-long videos. So for my videos from this week, I basically just focused on the new items that have been added to the clearance list, plus the new coupon matchups. So I highly recommend that you guys go back and watch those videos that I made back in January, because like I said, I think we ended up with like 11-12 pages worth of items, and there are so many good deals in there. Even if you don't have a coupon matchup for it, I mean, come on, these are great prices, and y'all want to know what to be on the lookout for during this clearance event. Alright guys, so let's get into these visuals and coupon matchups. Now first up, I have a few items that I accidentally left out of yesterday's video. And when I'm putting together these videos, I try to be really organized about it and keep everything in categories. Because if you're like me and you take screenshots, it just makes it a little bit easier once you're in the store, because you can pull up those items and they're all kind of grouped in together with their little categories. So if I'm in the body wash section, I can scroll through my screenshots and I can find all of the body wash pictures, kind of all grouped together versus having to flip back and forth and go through 100 screenshots to find all of the body wash deals. And also in yesterday's video, for the very first item, I left the UPC code in the pinned comment down below, and I'm going to do the same thing for this Eclipse Spearmint Gum, okay? Just to be on the safe side, that way you guys have a couple of UPC codes that you can put into your phone starting tomorrow morning, and you can change the store location, and you can kind of scope out and see if your store is going to be 50% off or 70% off. Alright guys, and here's one more item that I forgot to put into yesterday's video. We have the Airwick Essential Mist Starter Kit, Mandarin and Sweet Tangerine. So these are going to be $4.47, but we have a 3-off-1 digital coupon. So that's going to leave you paying $1.47. Alright guys, so just like in yesterday's video, I'm going to turn on a little background music and I'm going to let these deals run. Now, at any point in the video, if you need to speed it up or slow it down, you can click on the 3 little dots in the top right hand corner of this video, then choose playback speed, and you can speed the video up or slow it down to your liking. And then I'm going to pop in and out as I feel like I need to point out things, talk about coupon matchups, or instant savings deals like this one right here. So this week at Dollar General, we have an instant savings of $2 when you spend $8 on Tresemme, Suave, St. Ives, and Vaseline products. And we do have these brands included in the Dollar General clearance event. So depending on what your store has available, you guys can definitely mix and match and come up with your own deals. Now y'all know your girl has your back, so throughout this video I have grouped the items that are included in instant savings this week. I've grouped those together, so when you're in the store trying to come up with a little instant savings deal, y'all will know exactly what products to be on the lookout for that are on clearance. Alright guys, so now I'm going to let these deals run and I'll talk to y'all in just a second. Alright guys, I'm back and here's an item that I'm really looking forward to picking up with the Olay Regenerist Micro Sculpting Cream. These are going to be $3.75 and we have a 2-off-1 insert coupon from the P&G insert. So that's going to leave you paying $1.75. Now we also have a 5-off-1 insert coupon in the P&G insert. Now I'm not sure if this coupon will attach to this item since this is a 0.5 ounce bottle, but if it does, that's going to make it completely free plus $1.25 in overage. And we also have the Olay Firming Night Creams. These are going to be $3.04 and we have a 2-off-1 insert coupon that should work with this, leaving you paying just $1.04. And we also have the Olay Foaming Cleansers. So these are going to be $2.35 and we have a 1-off-1 digital coupon leaving you paying just $1.35. Alright guys, so now we're going to look at some really good coupon matchups with Schick and Skintimate razors. Now we do have digital coupons for all of these products, but you may also have some insert coupons. Now I'm not sure why, but my area did not receive the inserts on February the 20th, but if you have those inserts available, you should have several 4-off-1 insert coupons for the Schick disposable razors, plus the Schick Hydro razors, plus the Schick and Skintimate women's razors. So definitely check that February 20 Smart Source. Alright guys, so now you're about to see some really awesome deals on Colgate toothpaste, and I just wanted to take a second to remind you all about the instant savings deal. When you spend $10 on Colgate, Irish Spring, and Soft Soap products, we have all 3 of those brands included in the clearance event. When you spend $10, you're going to instantly save 3 at the register. Now, as y'all can see, we do have a 2-off-1 digital coupon making a lot of these products completely free, plus giving us overage. So I did want to go ahead and point out that we also have a 2-off-1 insert coupon that you guys can find in the February 20th Smart Source insert. So definitely take advantage of these deals and that overage while we have it. And also, if you pick up any Colgate products this week, don't forget to scan your receipt into the Fetch Rewards rebate app, because right now on Fetch Rewards we have a bonus of 5% back when you purchase any Colgate products. Now, it's usually only 1% back, so definitely take advantage of those extra savings. And if you're not already signed up for Fetch Rewards, I highly recommend it. And my referral code is on the screen here as well as down in the description box below. And if you use it, you're going to receive a free 2,000 points, which is the equivalent of $2. Alright guys, so I'm going to stick with you for just a minute here. I know I'm talking a lot more today than I did in yesterday's video, but I just want to make sure that you guys know about all of the deals. So we're about to see some Crest toothpaste coupon matchups, and I do want to point out that we have a 2-off-1 Crest insert coupon found in the March P&G inserts. And here coming up, you're going to see an awesome deal with an Ibotta rebate. So we have the Crest Pro Health toothpaste. These are going to be $1.32. We have a 2-off-1 digital coupon, or you can use the 2-off-1 insert coupon from the P&G insert. That's going to make it completely free, plus give you 68 cents in overage. But then you are going to submit your receipt to Ibotta, and right now on Ibotta we have a 50-cent rebate on the Crest Pro Health toothpaste. So that's going to make your final price completely free, plus a $1.18 moneymaker. So how awesome is that? And if you guys are not already signed up on Ibotta, my referral code is on the screen here as well as down in the description box below. Alright guys, I'm back. Now what are y'all thinking about all these amazing coupon matchups that we have? Let me tell you, I am super excited and I cannot wait to get out tomorrow and go shopping and see what all I can find. Now, here coming up, you're going to see another little group of products that are included in this instant savings deal that I told you all about at the beginning of the video. So you're going to instantly save $2 at the register when you spend $8 on Tresemme, Suave, St. Ives, and Vaseline products. Alright guys, so this first item that you see here, I think I included it in yesterday's video. This is a body wash, so it is a little bit out of place. I'm throwing it in with the shampoos and the conditioners, but I do need to make a little correction on it because the app shows that it is Suave Moisturizing Body Wash, Aloe, and Rose Water, but it is actually the St. Ives Rose Water and Aloe Body Wash. So just a little quick correction there. I wanted to give you all the correct visual and a picture of the product. These are going to be $1.35. And right now on Fetch Rewards, we have a 1,000-point bonus for this St. Ives body wash. So once you're done purchasing your St. Ives body wash, submit your receipt to Fetch Rewards and you're going to get back $1, making your final price just 35 cents. Alright guys, I'm back, and as y'all can see, we have a lot of really awesome deals on hair care products included in this clearance event. But here coming up in just a second, you're going to see one of my favorite deals, and I cannot wait to run out and pick it up because this is about the only shampoo and conditioner that I will use consistently. I do try other products, but I love my Love Beauty and Planet shampoos and conditioners. Now these were originally $5 each, but during this clearance event, they're going to be $1.50. So how awesome is that? But the deal gets even better because in our February 27th save insert, we received a buy one get one free insert coupon. So if you pick up 2 of those, use that buy one get one free insert coupon, and that is going to leave you paying $1.50 for 2, making those just 75 cents each. So I am super excited about this deal. Alright guys, so we're almost to the end of the video. Now there's a few more deals and coupon matchups that y'all need to be aware of, but I wanted to go ahead and address something while these slides were rolling through. That way the video doesn't get too long. So, rumor has it that Dollar General is going to be ending overages. Now, we've kind of been hearing this for a while now, but I think in some areas they're already experiencing it. I'm not sure if this is just on insert coupons or just on digital coupons or all of the above. So this is going to be one of those things that we just kind of have to wait it out and see what happens. But I had seen some comments over on Instagram that people were not getting the overage on the Colgate Junior toothpaste and the Crest toothpaste deals that we've had over the past couple of weeks. So I'm not sure if this is just happening in certain areas or certain stores, I'm just not really sure, but I wanted to go ahead and give you all the heads up on that. That way if you're out shopping this weekend and the overage doesn't apply, you guys will know that that has happened in your area and they've taken the overages away. Now, if that happens, it will still make the item completely free, so it will zero it out, or it'll make it a penny, one or the other. Again, I'm just not quite sure, but I did want to go ahead and give you all the heads up on that and let y'all know what I know. So I do apologize that I had to bring y'all a little bit of bad news, but I would rather y'all be informed and know about these changes that are going to be happening versus getting up to the register one day and just being completely shocked because your subtotal was not what you expected it to be because the overages didn't apply. So with all that being said, you guys do have all the deals and coupon matchups that I have so far. There's a couple more things that I need to kind of double check on to make sure that I've given you guys all of the visuals and information that I have. So it is possible that a part 3 is coming, and if that happens, it's going to be uploaded later this evening or first thing tomorrow morning. So be on the lookout for that and make sure that you turn on your notifications. Alright guys, so like I said at the beginning of the video, if you haven't already, check out the pinned comment down below this video. I'm going to link all of the clearance event videos that you need to go and watch. Definitely check out the Everything That You Need to Know video, plus part 1, which I uploaded yesterday. And I'm also going to leave linked in the pinned comment down below all of those January videos. So definitely go and check those out. That way you will be ready to rock and roll tomorrow morning. Alright guys, so that is it for me for now, but before you go, I have a couple of teeny tiny favors that I need y'all to do for me because you know your girl put in the OT this week and I worked my tail off. So if you're not already subscribed, please consider doing so and turn on your notifications so that you don't miss out on any deals. I promise you won't regret it, so go ahead and hit that subscribe button. It's right down below this video. And while you're there, please hit the thumbs up button. It's just a little teeny tiny button, but it makes a huge difference. So go ahead and give this video a big thumbs up for me and leave me a comment down below. Let me know what your favorite deal is or what you're looking forward to the most this weekend. And also, please share the video. Hit that share button because that tells YouTube, hey, this video is worth watching and it's worth sharing with one of my friends. So that helps get this video out there into the algorithm. So please hit that share button. Even if you just share it to yourself in a text message, it makes a world of difference. So if you guys could do those 4 simple little things for me, I would really appreciate it. And like I said, that is it for me for now. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Thank you all so much for watching. I hope y'all have a wonderful day and I will see you all in the next one.